rebooted.
Thank you very much. Also, we got this book yesterday, and I didn't get a chance to finish it. It's a guy who used to be apparently a motoring journalist who was cancelled because he basically dissed a load of electric vehicles, and so nobody would use them again. Right? So
I like him already.
Yeah, he's written a book. His name is James, right? And he's written this Mad Milivolts Solar Factories book. He's basically adapted King Solomon's Mines. And written
so
about
he's dissing the whole environmental premise of EVs.
Pretty much. As he should, yeah, so that's good. We'll open some more things as well. Yeah. Pooch is back now, though, I think.
Hello, and just to let you know that the other morning, Mad Milivolts Solar Factories was mentioned and actually displayed prominently on the Mike Graham Breakfast Show. I don't know whether you watch it or not. It's the biggest YouTube breakfast show currently operating. He gets an incredible amount of live watchers. It's sort of 12 to 14,000 every morning between 7 and 9:30, and he very kindly went to the bother of mentioning my book, and it was there, and he put it on display. It was you could see it for about an hour before something else got placed on top of it, but yeah, you can't miss a yellow book, can you? But he got the point of it, that yeah, what I'm doing is I'm fighting against the tyranny of net zero and the madness that is Mad Milivolts. And this was a book which I have written, and it is amusing. It does contain swear words, so don't buy it for your children. But it's meant to be having a go at the net zero agenda, and in a way it might show a way that how we could fight back, even though it's a novel. It's based on King Solomon's Mines, but there's cars in it. There's a very interesting electric vehicle chase as well, sort of proving the fact that you can't have an electric vehicle chase really without it all going wrong, and lots of other things, and heads get chopped off and all sorts of things. It's a riot. It's a laugh riot. But thank you very much to Mike for putting it on his show. It's worth watching. I'll put the link in the description so you can go and have a look at it. And yeah, it's all good stuff. So yeah, Mad Milivolts. If you've got the time, please go there and take a look. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
Thank you very much. Also, we got this book yesterday, and I didn't get a chance to finish it. It's a guy who used to be apparently a motoring journalist who was cancelled because he basically dissed a load of electric vehicles, and so nobody would use them again. Right? So
I like him already.
Yeah, he's written a book. His name is James, right? And he's written this Mad Milivolts Solar Factories book. He's basically adapted King Solomon's Mines. And written
so he's dissing the whole environmental premise of EVs.
Pretty much. As he should, yeah, so that's good. We'll open some more things as well. Yeah. Pooch is back now, though, I think.